Hey guys, we got ourselves a main water line break. This by far is in the top 3 categories of something that can go wrong at your house as a homeowner. But listen, I want you to go ahead and turn that main water line off inside your meter there. If you have an emergency going on where you got a lot of water and you can't find it, just turn it off until somebody get there. Once we get there, we're gonna turn it back on to see if we can locate that leak. Once we locate that leak, in this case here, you see that little coupling sticking up. Somebody had this line repaired before and it shook loose or popped loose. It wasn't a good connect. So we found the leak initially relatively easy, but we had some water coming back on the foundation. As you see coming back, still a little pool. So we just wanted to make sure that it wasn't another leak under the foundation. You know, we did a little checks and balances at the end to ensure that wouldn't happen. Went ahead and bought us some new line, some couplings. We used some shark bites to go ahead and reconnect the line to the main water supply, to the meter there. But here's the thing. We went ahead and replaced the entire line. If you get a line break and you can identify where the break is at, it's your choice on whether you want to patch that individual piece or whether you want to put a whole new line. We elect to put a whole new line. Once you lock that shark bite in there, go ahead and make sure you turn your water on and check. You see that bad coupling right there? That's where it broke at, right there. You know, it was just bad. And it cost the homeowners a significant amount of money because, you know, somebody did a crappy repair. But anyway, we got our shark bites back on there. Go ahead and just connect it. You want to push it, Rich and Mike. We did a test already and, you know, we failed. You know, we turned the water on and we had a little bit of leaks right here coming off the main line. So, hey, we go back in there, had Anthony. He went, you know, just use that big boy muscle and get that thing to lock in there. That time we got it to click. We thought we had done it before, but that's why you check. Turn your water on. Once we turned that water on, of course, there were no leaks. We checked, waited a few minutes. And of course, you want to go ahead and just go to both sides, check all your connection points. Once you got that water on and everything's off in the house, make sure that water meter's not moving. As you see here, the water meter's not moving. Just go ahead and start covering the rocks. Covering your drain up, your line up. Once you cover your line up, do not push the dirt down on that new water line. Let it settle naturally for a week or two. Then as it progresses, you go ahead and level it out. Y'all know who it is. It's your boy A to B. Like and subscribe.